Here we have the STR 301 152 dual port surface mount RJ45 jack. In this package you get little self-adhesive double stick foam tape for mounting. Give you a couple of screws and little instructions for those of you who need it that tell you how to wire it. Tells you what the pinout and the color is for each pin and each wire. This particular jack is held together by a couple of clips, so it comes apart pretty easy, as you saw. It is UL listed for Cat 5e, and it has the 110 punch down. And if you look right here in the center, you can see where the colors are that correspond with your chart. It's really pretty simple, pretty standard. It's got two mounting holes here, and the cover has two surface mount wire access points in the back right here. And that's your jack. Let me just spin it around so you can see it snap together on all sides. There's the back, and here's the front. Once again, that's the UL listed 301 152 STR 301 152. Thanks.